today's video. Hope you guys are doing super awesome. Thank you for watching. Thank you for tuning in. So in today's video, I am going to be using this palette today to do my makeup. This is from Sheglam. This is called the Sheglam Flutter Effect palette. And I absolutely love this. It is so pretty. I mean, spring is just right around the corner. This is a beautiful spring summer look for sure. Love that. Some of you may already have this one. It's called Wild Heart and it's the Sheglam Flutter Effect palette. So we are going to see how this is going to work out today. My skin is already prepped with everything just to save time on this video, so we're just going to get started. And let me just grab a brush and we are just going to see how this is going to work today. And there's a beautiful green that's called Forever Forest. That's what I'm going to be starting with today. It seems to be a very light green. And I'm just going to put that, just right on the hood of my eyes. Let me just going to blend. So I'm just going to try and keep it as light as possible. Hope you guys can see that. Really, really nice. And so I am going to use Sky High, which is a soft glitter color. And I am not going to be using any glitter glue with this one. I'm just going to see how it's going to work on its own. Wow. And it works pretty well. So we're just going to put this over the hood and I'm just going to blend this out. This is a very pretty color. I like that. So let me go in with another color right now. I'm going to use the black one. I'm just looking for a very small blender brush. And I'm just going to probably use this one. And I'm just going to give the corners just a little bit of something. Just a little smokiness right here. So now I'm going to be using this black liquid eyeliner. This is also from Sheglam. I'm using this today for the first time. And I'm just going to see if I can do a wing eyeliner. Doing wing eyeliners is something I cannot ever do because one's always looking a little bit different to the other one and it's always up and down. So let's see how this is going to work out today. Let's go. Wow, do you see that? Oh my God, I'm really impressed. That looks really good. And this eyeliner is jet black, I'm telling you. That looks really good. Let's see if I can do the other side. Wow, not bad for a wing eyeliner. I like that. You know what though, this has to be my #1 black eyeliner. I have this one here from Revolution. This was one of my favorites. Now this one has become my favorite eyeliner because now I have a little wing that's happening right there and I'm really impressed with that. So let me go in with my lashes and I'm going to pop back in just 1 second. Okay, so my eyelashes are on. So I think I'm just gonna go in with a little bit of mascara on these lashes today. I don't ever use mascara on my lashes, but I think I'm just gonna put a little bit of mascara on today, just to make them a little bit more thick, a little bit more full. All right, so I am going in with the foundation from Sheglam. It's called Caramel. I love this foundation so much. I'm sorry guys, I'm using it again so you guys can see how well this foundation works. This is my Sephora foundation brush and we are just gonna go straight blending. Back in with the concealer. I love this concealer so much. Again, this is the setting powder and this is in light brown. I'm going to put, I was going to put a little bit of this in the cover, but I realized that I've already got some there and I'm just going to go use one of their small brushes again. And I'm just going to dip from the cover. I'm just going to use a brush and just remove any excess. And I'm going to use my Fashion Fair's powder today. This is called Enchanting Amber. And we are just going to just powder everything up. My favorite blush from NagiCosmetics, it's called GoldFish. And I'm just going to use a small brush. Hope you guys can see that. Very, very light on my skin, on my cheeks. Very pretty. I love, absolutely love this blush. NagiCosmetics is called GoldFish. You will not regret that purchase at all. I am going to use another lipstick from Sheglam. I've used one in Monday's video. This is another one I'm using today for the first time. And this one is called, let me just see if I can read the name for you. It's called Natural Territory. So again, it's almost like a beautiful nude shade. Very pretty, hope you can see that. So we're just gonna go in with this right now. This is a very soft matte lipstick, almost like a movie undertone. Very pretty. Wow. And it's incredibly soft too. So I'm going to be using this lip liner from Doris. I've had this in my collection for ages. It is still good, still works. So I think it's called Blackberry. So we're just going to line the lips with this one. And I don't have to do any blending with this lip liner and this lipstick together. It looks really, really good. And so I am just going to cover this quickly. And I love the fact that it just snaps together. So I am going to set everything with my Morphe setting spray. Okay, my beautiful peoples, here we are with the finished look. What do you guys think of this makeup look today? What do you guys think of this look? I would love to hear your comments in the description box below. I love the palette. The palette is really, really cute, and the matte colors are so beautiful and pigmented. I use only 3 colors from this palette. The black one is called Jet Set. Forever Forest is on the hood of my eyes, and Sky High is that lovely shimmer color that you see on the on the lid, which is really nice. I mean, if I had used, let's say, a glitter glue, it would have popped a little bit more, but I don't really want it to be too bright on my face. Love the way this is looking. So I use the palette. This is the setting powder. This is the foundation. This is the lipstick. And of course, this is the concealer from Sheglam, and I went in with a powder. And this is the black eyeliner. This black eyeliner, oh my God, you have to get it. Because like I said, I am not really good at doing winged eyeliners, but this one really helped me to do that a little bit better because my eyes are so sensitive. So these are some of the main products I use from Sheglam in this video today. I am going to link all of these in the description box for you guys, and I recommend that you try some of these products from Sheglam because the beauty products are divine. They are so good, and I absolutely love them. And so on that note, this is the end of the video. I do hope you guys enjoy this video today, and leave me your thoughts and your comments in the description box below. I do appreciate every single one of you. Thank you for watching. My name is Odette. I shall see you guys next time. Doodles!